The City Government of Davao welcomes everyone on this year Pasidungog Garbo sa Davao in celebration of the 89th Araw ng Davao. As we pursue our vision of a globally livable city and a center of excellence in governance, investment, tourism, climate change adoption, disaster resiliency, and sustainable growth, we continue to implement initiatives that drive socio-economic growth by empowering citizens and fostering multi-sectoral collaborations. Today, we gather to recognize not only the exemplary private organizations and companies who have made invaluable contributions to our city's growth, but also honor the individuals who have embodied the true meaning of an everyday Davaoenyo, steadfast, dedicated, and resilient. Through your unceasing support in the areas of business development, business and real property taxes, urban infrastructure, and housing resettlement infrastructure, economic and development management, cooperative development, education, social services and traffic management, public safety, and crisis response, health and animal health, welfare and productivity, environment and solid waste management and beautification, sports development, tourism and culture and the arts, our city continues to move forward. To all the awardees, congratulations ug daghang salamat kaninyong tanan for your serious dedication and strong commitment to providing vital socio-economic support, promoting inclusive and culture-based community engagement, and carrying out social support services to sustain our city's growth and development. By bringing the public and private sectors together, we continue to strengthen our linkages, improve our services for our communities, attract more investors, and most importantly, create more job opportunities that benefit the holistic development and well-being of Davaoenos. Hinaot nga padayon kitang tinabangay, isip usa ka hinuusang komunidad alang sa kayuhan o kalambuan sa atong pinalanggang takbayan sa Davao. Sa makausap pa, congratulations ug daghang salamat gikan sa atong Honorable Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte. Happy 89th Araw ng Davao sa tanan. Mayong hapon and God.